In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your Steam account if you've forgotten your account name or password. Let's get started with a straightforward step-by-step guide to get you back into your account so you can resume your gaming adventures without a hitch. First, you'll want to navigate to the Steam login page. You can do this by opening your internet browser and typing in the Steam website address. Once the Steam homepage loads, look for the login button, usually located in the upper right corner. Click on it to be taken to the login screen. If for some reason you're unable to sign in, don't worry. There's a handy option right there on the page to help. You'll want to click on the link that says, "Help, I can't sign in." This is your gateway to starting the recovery process. Once you've clicked that link, you'll be presented with a few options to describe your problem. In this case, select "I forgot my Steam account name or password." This specific choice will direct you to the resources needed to regain access to your account. Now it's time to provide your account information. Steam offers several ways to search for your account, so choose the one that works best for you. You can use your account name if you remember it, or perhaps the email address that you associated with your Steam account. Alternatively, if you've linked a phone number to your account, that's great too. Once you've entered the necessary information, click the search button, and Steam will get to work finding your account. Next, be on the lookout for a verification code from Steam. This code is an extra level of security to ensure that you are the account owner trying to gain access. Check your email or phone messages depending on how you've set up your account. Steam will send a verification code to one of these, so make sure to check both if you're unsure where it might arrive. Once you've got your verification code, head back to the Steam page where you started the recovery process. Enter the code in the provided field and click Continue to proceed to the final steps of account recovery. At this point, you should have access to reset your password. You'll be prompted to enter and confirm a new password. Think about security here. Use a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to create a strong password. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the resetting process and make sure to store your new password somewhere secure for future reference. You've done it. By following these steps, you should now have regained access to your Steam account. Remember to keep your login information safe and secure to avoid similar situations in the future. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!